today I'm gonna give you some tips for the beginning of telekinesis when you are a beginner. First, when you start doing telekinesis, there's many few things you can do. But most importantly, it is to collect information. Lucky you that I already uploaded hundreds of videos where you can learn telekinesis. I was teaching pyrokinesis, aerokinesis, hydrokinesis. You can learn all these things all from this YouTube channel. And there's other YouTube channels which teach the same subject. So step one for you is learn as much as you can before you even start practicing. Step two, get your life in order. By that I mean have enough income that you don't have to worry about money. Be healthy enough that you don't have to worry about getting sick or even being sick. Clean your house. Make sure everything is tidied up. That way you feel more comfortable at home. Do your duties. Do your homework. Because only then you have the free mind to actually do telekinesis. And lastly, eat healthy and be physically fit, because only with a healthy body you can have a strong mind. This is step two. Step three, meditate. If you don't know how to meditate, there's a few videos on this channel which lead you through a guided meditation. You can work with those, but there's tons of videos on YouTube where you can do a guided meditation. Just do one of those, and one day you're gonna be able to meditate by yourself. Step four, use what you learned. Use what you learned about telekinesis, and then use the clear mind you got from the meditation and start practicing telekinesis. I recommend doing telekinesis with objects which are very close to you, because you already have a certain link to this object. Then it's easier. It's always harder to do telekinesis to an object you're not that comfortable with, or you just don't know well enough yet. And step five, make sure to do all the 4 steps at all times. If one of these steps are gonna be out of order, out of balance, it's not gonna work. Telekinesis is a very precise science. If one thing's out of order, it's not gonna work. Telekinesis is about balance. Not everything is always great. Not everything is always bad. But when you find the balance, this is when you can succeed with telekinesis, like I did in the beginning of the video. It took me years, decades to learn telekinesis. So if you've been practicing for a few days, for a few weeks, for a few years, and it still doesn't work, don't get frustrated. It takes a long time. But also, think about the 5 steps. The 5 steps which are going to lead you to telekinesis one day. Not today, not tomorrow, but one day it will. So thank you so much for watching. If you have Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help.